think, if I'm not wrong, this one may sit in the top 10, maybe top 5, depending on how sick it actually is in person. Now, like I said, there's only 57 of them in the UK, and this is one of them. Yo, what's happening, my people? Damn, it's another day, another dollar. It's a busy one today. Man like Jody from Thornton Hundred hit me up and said he's got a couple of bikes to move here, there and everywhere today. Obviously he does move his own bikes around from time to time, but they don't really have time for it, which is another reason why I do what I do. A lot of my clients actually have their own modes of transport. They got their vans, they got their trailers, blah 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 blah, but they don't have time. So that's another reason why I do what I do, and I love doing what I do, because I move some sick bikes all the time. Bit of this, bit of that, bit of everything, man. But yeah, I picked up a bike, like one of his bikes that needed to go in for some repairs. The customer had a little won't go into too much detail on that one. It's a Triumph Bobber. So I picked that up in London, and that's going up to Jody in Milton Keynes at his unit. So I'm just on the way up there now, hitting these sick country roads. Times like now, wish I was on my bike, man. But yeah, it's all good, it's all good. All work today and no play, man. So yeah, I got this one in the van now. I'm on the way, I'm gonna drop that there. And I got 2 more of his bikes to pick up at some quite cool locations. Well, one of them anyways is quite cool. One of them, I think, was just built and sold. So that's going to his customer. And I've got one of his bikes. I'm not too sure what one it is. It might be his personal bike, or it might be his one of his show bikes or something. I don't know. Anyways, but hang tight. We're on the way there. We should be there in about 10 minutes. And then yeah, man, I'll show you what's going on when we get there. And we'll see. I don't know. It depends on how his time is today. Anyways, we'll see if we could get a little chat with Jody, so you can have a look at what he does. And a few bikes. Oh, what's that? Yeah, and see what he's got in the workshop at the minute, man. Good times, let's go. So we made it up to Thornton Hundred. Jody's not here at the minute, but all his boys are here. So this one has just been built. That one's going to the new customer, and that's his ambassador bike. Lucky ambassadors, man. I want to be one. Damn. So they get to ride this one. So this one is going to, won't say, but you lot will see when we get there. Fully custom Bobber black. So sick. Look at that. No supercharger on this one. I'm sure eventually you'll put one on there, but yeah, man, sick. Triumph Bobber black wide wheel kit, dripping in custom bits, man. And then that one, again, that's just been built for the customer, so that one's gonna get dropped off first. And then yeah, that one will drop to special location. another day, another mission. This one I'm super gassed about. It's a very exclusive bike. It's a sick bike. I have seen a few of them and I have moved a few of them, but this spec I've never actually seen. There's only 57 of them in the UK and I've been called to pick this one up. New customer. We have been in talks for a couple of months from when he just ordered the bike, but he had to wait ages for this bike to come, for the bike to get spec'd exactly how he wanted it. Shout out to Adam. Hope you're watching this. Yeah, so I won't say what it is, I'll just show it to you guys. A lot of people do ask me, what's the best bike I've collected? Like, what's the top 5 bike? What's the top 10 bikes? And it's very hard to say because I do pick up a lot of sick bikes. But I think, if I'm not wrong, this one may sit in the top 10, maybe top 5, depending on how sick it actually is in person. Now, like I said, there's only 57 of them in the UK, and this is one of them. So yeah, this one I'm collecting from Fowlers in Bristol. That one is going over to our friends over at Slix Detailing. Shout out to man like Jay. He's gonna get this one ceramic coated for a customer, Adam, and then yeah, we'll get this back down to him down in Wales. So yeah, once I get to the bike, I'll have a look. Hopefully it don't disappoint. I think it's gonna be a beast. And then yeah, man, I'll show you lot what it's saying when I get there. Peace.
Apollo with the loading.
In beautiful South Wales this afternoon, and I've picked up this beast, KTM Superduke 1290RR. This is one of 57 in the UK, and I think there was only about, how many were they, Adam, made? Was it like 500 and something? Total, yeah. 500 total. So this one I picked up from my man Adam from Fowlers in Bristol. We took it over to Slix Detailing to get fully ceramic coated from head to toe. The details on this bike is absolutely nuts. Like, it does sort of look like a normal R, but it's far from a normal R. All the extras on this bike that come straight out of the factory is insane. Look at them wheels, matte carbon, full obviously electric suspension, lever guards, indicators. Everything on this bike is special. There's nothing basic on this bike, and with how rare this bike is as well, yeah, definite thumbs up. And what are you saying, Adam? We gonna fire up?
Yeah, man.
Let's go. Go for it. It's all you. Yes, sir. Lovely. We've got the brake lights integrated in the indicators as well. That's a nice touch. Very, very nice touch. Acra system. She's a sweet one. Running lights.